Number 6. Break up. It means to end a relationship or disperse a gathering.
They decided to break up after 5 years together. They decided to break up after 5 years together. The police arrived to break up the crowd. The police arrived to break up the crowd. The band broke up due to creative differences. The band broke up due to creative differences.
Number 7. Bring up. It means to mention a topic or start to talk about something.
She didn't want to bring up the past again. She didn't want to bring up the past again. He brought up a good point during the meeting. He brought up a good point during the meeting. Can we bring up the budget issues tomorrow? Can we bring up the budget issues tomorrow?
Number 8. Brush up on. It means to improve your knowledge or skill in a particular area.
I need to brush up on my French before the trip. I need to brush up on my French before the trip. She's brushing up on her math skills for the test. She's brushing up on her math skills for the test. He decided to brush up on his cooking techniques. He decided to brush up on his cooking techniques.
Number 9. Bump into. It means to meet someone unexpectedly.
I bumped into an old friend at the market. I bumped into an old friend at the market. She was surprised when she bumped into her teacher. She was surprised when she bumped into her teacher. They bumped into each other in the hallway. They bumped into each other in the hallway.
Number 10. Bump up. It means to increase something in amount or degree.
They bumped up the prices during the holiday season. They bumped up the prices during the holiday season. Can you bump up the volume? It's too low. Can you bump up the volume? It's too low. He got bumped up to a higher pay grade. He got bumped up to a higher pay grade.